Good morning, my dear people. How are you? How was your week?
Igitondo cyiza nshuti zanjye mumeze mute? Icyumweru cyanyu kirangiye gute?
Iki cyumweru cyabagendekeye gite? Nizere ko mumeze neza kandi Imana ikomeje kubagirira neza no kubitaho no kubafasha mu bibagoye, mu bibahangayikishije. Kuri wowe mushyashya hano
Good morning to everyone. I hope that you are doing alright and God keep doing well to you in your burden. For you newcomer here, you are welcome.
mve mikaze niba ari bwo bwa mbere tugiye kubana, niba ari bwo bwa mbere ugiye kubana natwe muri iyi class, wahisemo neza. Iyi ni class ba buri wa gatandatu kuri iyi platform saa 4 za mu gitondo.
If it's your first time to meet us here, you are welcome. You have chosen well. This is the class we meet every Saturday from 10 p.m.
ku masaha yo mu Rwanda, aho tuganira ku masomo atandukanye muri areas zinyuranye z'ubuzima.
This is where we meet every Saturday at 10 p.m. and we get conversation in different areas of life, but most of the time
cyane cyane kuri marriage and relationship. So tubwire muri comment niba ari bwo bwa mbere ugiye kubana natwe kugira ngo tukwakire nkuko ubikwiriye.
Especially we talk about marriage and relationship, and type in comment if it's your first time to meet us. Type in a comment so that we may welcome you as you deserve.
Yeah, all right. So mbere yuko ntangira isomo ryacu ry'uyu munsi, reka dukora quick check-in. Reka dukore check-in vuba cyane twihuse mbere yuko ntangira isomo ryanjye ry'uyu munsi.
Before I start daily lesson, let's start by checking. Let's quickly start by checking before I start my daily lesson on my daily studies.
Ngira waramutse uti muri iyi check-in icyo mbangamije nuko twisuzuma tureba aho turi emotionally, mentally.
And tell me, how is your morning? In this check-in, we want to revise ourselves and how are we emotionally?
Ibibazo by'ubuzima bishobora kuba byinshi aho umuntu yibagirwa no gucekinga uko ameze, uko wowe umeze regardless.
So daily burdens may be rising on high level where you can forget checking yourself and ask yourself where you are, how are you?
Iya situation uri kunyuramo, how are you? Umeze ute?
Regardless to your situation, how are you feeling? Tell me, how do you feel now?
Waramutse ute? Ubyukiye mu yihe mood? Ufite yihe plan muri iyi weekend?
How is your morning? What are you planning to do in this weekend? Tell me. Okay. Let's hope that everyone is alright on this channel, and I promise you that this is the place where Inama is going to be performed and translated in English. You will listen to every word in English and start checking yourself the level you are working in about your English listening and speaking. I hope that everyone will be satisfied to be here. If it's your first time to meet us here, you may subscribe so that we may keep next video. May God bless you.